Good day, everyone. In this short video, I will discuss the conclusion of what the Lord wants unto this time. So, next next series break is going to be scheduled on November 28th or December 1. So, it's still what the Lord wants but on a different topics, no. So, additional things to consider. So, first and foremost, so Brazil, yes. So, I mentioned the Latin Americas. So, Brazil, the Lord said, is a confused country. This is what the Lord said now. Brazil is a confused country. They are confused on what's going on in the future. They have no certainty of whom their God is. So we have to pray for Brazil. That's very important. So the Lord will use Brazil someday. Abangan nyo. But as of now, they're really confused with what do they believe on what do they see. So to be honest, the history of Latin Americas mostly are from the Spaniards. Yes, I mean, mostly, kung hindi Spaniards, Portuguese. Sila naman talaga yung naghari noon. So, I don't know, kasi nung nag-deviate na yung mga Europeans from there, sabi ni Lord, they still have no sense of thinking to surrender everything to the Lord. They still do not have it. On the other hand, Haiti is crying for the Lord's deliverance unto this country of Haiti. Why? If you, I listened to one of the history videos na talagang inabuse talaga sila ng French before. With all of the minerals so kinuha nila before. So, now, Haiti is crying for deliverance on what's happening. Kasi, lalo na yung mga people of today there did not reach those times na perilous times, and now they have left with almost nothing to have. So, what are the plans of the Lord? Sabi ko nga the last time is, di ba sabi mo gagamitin yung mga Caribbean kung kailangan mag-migrate America? Ba't gano'n? Parang ang pangit naman yata ng babagsakan. Antayin nyo lang. Gagalaw naman si Lord pagdating sa mga panahon na yan. The Lord will move accordingly. So, the Lord will never leave you nor forsake you. Hindi niya iiwan yung mga tupa niya. Do not worry about that one. So, I will discuss more of Korea in the next sermon series break. There are so much things happening there. As of the Archangel Michael, so gawin na lang natin parang maikli talaga, try natin yung ganitong format. So, as of Archangel Michael, so he is already in the Philippine area. Sabi naman ni Michael doon, as of the moment, there are no conflicts in Taiwan and China as of the moment. So, more of which, Archangel Michael is already in the Philippines. And there will be around in the ASEAN countries because they could see danger, imminent danger from conquerors like China. And surprisingly, the US are also going to show their true motives. Kasi like Guam, Kinuha nila yung Guam because of territorial purposes. The World War, if you remember the World War II. So, Guam has been useful for their attacks against the Japanese. And so is the Philippines. Philippines is way nearer than Guam. And South Korea is also their interest kasi South Korea is almost a border of North Korea in which is North Korea is in pal of China as of the moment. The US and China are the new rivals. So, wala na yung Russia? Hindi. Kaya nga lumaki lang sila, naging BRICS, tapos naging G7. Yung NATO countries, asahan nyo yan, magkakadigmaan. Kaya nga sabi ni Lord, matitira yung Switzerland. And the Nordic countries as well, sinabi ko nga. Most of the Nordic countries, siguro except with the exemptions of the Scandinavian, no? So, the government is also into the mix. Pero, the Nordic countries like Iceland, Greenland will not be affected but that much. Kasi, sabi naman ni Lord, wala naman silang ginagawa. Even the Danish, even the Swedish, most of them, especially in the tribal areas, especially in the Arctic areas, has no idea how their government works. So, bakit naman nahayaan ng Diyos na mawala yung mga tribal people din? Kasi, to your surprise, they are much more better in terms of ethics compared to this quote-unquote civilized people that they're liberal daw. So, they're liberal of their vices, not necessarily they're liberal. Ang tanong nila, ano ba yung ginawa nila sa pagiging liberal nila? Liberal ka, you have the freedom, but what have you done so far with your freedom? That's the question. So, why Archangel Michael is already in the Philippines and in the Southeast Asia countries? Kasi, alam nyo kasi, ganito yan. The ASEAN countries has to be neutral between the wars of the West. Because ASEAN is going to be a strong union in the future. The Lord sees the ASEAN as the next EU. What currency will we use? Well, the Lord does not reveal yet. So, paano yun? What will they do? Especially the leaders are corrupted by Western thinking. Most of the leaders in the ASEAN country, with the exception of East Timor, the new country. What will the leaders do? Especially leaders are enticed. Most of the leaders are enticed with Eastern beliefs like Hinduism, Islam, and the like. Ano na gagawin ni Lord dyan? The Lord will make ways for the ASEAN countries to be saved against this imminent war. India, on the other hand, has been plagued by the COVID-19. Tingnan sa Pilipinas. COVID-19 is only advertised, but it is not really as severe as the countries like Italy before. Severe like India before. And even China, it is not as severe as what happened to the mainland China before. Medyo OA lang ang pagka-advertise sa buong ASEAN countries. This is what the Lord has been said. But so far, the ASEAN countries has not been spared because of the vaccine, no. But it is only by the Lord's mercy. So, there are a lot actually. Lalo na when I prayed about the future, sabi ko, Lord, nasa Ecclesiastes yun, I forgot saan exactly sa Ecclesiastes na, man are meant to enjoy things, but they will not find out what the Lord has done. I forgot to sa Ecclesiastes yun, nakita ko yun, basa ko yun. Sabi ko, Lord, ayoko naman ng ganito, ayoko naman na, di ko naman din malaman kung ano yung ginawa mo. Sabi sa akin. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Basta pag nakita mo na ako, wala nang problema doon sa ginawa ko. Kasi ako naman gumawa ng lahat eh. Okay na yan. Basta nakita mo ako yung inuna mo, okay na yan. Hindi ka nakasama sa application nitong sinabi ni Solomon. Mag-a-apply lang naman yung sinabi ni Solomon na yan doon sa mga taong hindi naman seryoso sa Diyos. Yung nag-enjoy lang pero di naman nila talaga na kita yung talagang ginawa ng Diyos. But as for me, and as for the people who really seeks the Lord, they will see everything that the Lord has done. Alam nyo ba na sinabi ni Lord, sabi, the heavens and earth, ginawa niya yung heavens and earth. Do you know that all of the planets in the universe was meant for humans to live on? Sabi ni Lord sa akin, lahat naman may materials for humans to live. Sabi ng Lord sa akin, yung ibang planeta parang puzzle, kailangan nyong ayusin. Kailangan ninyong i-figure out paano nagwo-work. Teka muna yung iba naman, gaseous planet. Bakit noong una naman, kung binasa nyo naman yung Genesis, yung Earth wala rin naman eh. It was formless and void. Formless and void din naman yung Earth dati eh. Ayun na nga, ang sabi ni Lord, ito yung sinasabi ni Lord na humans tend to just enjoy life and not finding what the Lord has created for them. So sabi ni Lord, sige, dyan ka masaya, di okay. Sabi ni Lord sa akin, yung mga ibang planeta kasi was also meant for humans to live on. But the thing is, humans are so preoccupied. Tingnan mo nga yung demonyo, nag-e-enjoy sa Saturn. Ayaw na umalis dun. Bakit daw sa Saturn? Sabi ni Lord, para di daw malayo sa Earth. Aba, teka muna. Di ba kaya naman mag-teleport ang demonyo? Oo, pero not the way the Lord does. Ang demonyo is naiinip, syempre. Bound din sila ng rules ni Lord. The Lord is the one that masters more compared to the devil. Kaya kahit sobrang layo ng Lord, the Lord knows how to traverse it everywhere. Eto mga demonyong to, sobrang mainipin. So, doon na lang sila sa malapit. Yun ang sabi sa akin ni Lord ngayon. Bakit yung mga demonyo nasa Saturn? Para nga malapit sa Earth, ba't hindi sa Jupiter? Meron din naman sa Jupiter. Pero yung talagang ni Satan sa Saturn. Meron din sila sa Jupiter. Narinig ko, na-confirm ko na nga lang meron daw sa Jupiter. Doon sila naghahari kasi daw wala naman daw may interest na tao. Yun nasa paano yun? Hindi sa demonyo din kasi yun eh. Parang inaano na nila pero alam na ng demonyo kung paano tiran yun. Saan yun? Yung mga nasa na yan. Sa devil yun. So, yun lang naman yung aking video for today. So, I'll see you on Saturday for the introduction of the regular series. Peace. Thank you for listening. God bless.